Hey everyone in English 2323, it's Dr. E and I'm here with your week 13 instructional video. Before we get into it, I just want to let you know that I am unexpectedly out of town, and though I do have Wi-Fi, it is not the most trustworthy. So know that I'm going to do everything I can to stay in touch and be available when you have any questions or concerns, but know that there may be times when it takes a while for me to get back to you. This was unfortunately not planned, but it is what it is, and we'll get through it. Also, I want you to know that this week is considered a holiday week with the college. The college will be closed on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'll be generally away during that time, but also, I'll be checking in on my email and doing what I can to get back to you. So also know that there's that Q&A discussion board area, and that you have colleagues that will likely be in and out of the course area, and they can answer your questions, and I can do the same. So again, we're holding this community together no matter what. So if you need help, then just let us know. All right, I'm going to the content area so we can see what's going on for week 13. It looks like a pretty straightforward week, but then we see these points. That's a lot, right? So what I want you to do is to think about your multimedia project. You don't necessarily need to wait for my feedback to start planning, gathering materials, or even start the creative portion if you're pretty confident that your idea falls within the guidelines. I'll be working on that feedback, of course. But you also have your journal portfolio that you're going to submit. It's due Sunday at 11:59, but I have offered an extended grace period, so it's one of those weeks where if you want to get it off your plate, out of your way early, then by all means submit if you're feeling really comfortable with what you have. If you need to take that extra time with the extended grace period, then by all means do that. It's not going to count against you. And some of us just need some time away and a break to come back with fresh eyes, maybe seek some tutoring, that kind of thing, whatever works. You also have a participation quiz, which I'm going to admit is it's straightforward. You should know the answer to the questions about, these kinds of things, that kind of thing. Anyhow, so you have the journal portfolio and the participation quiz due on Sunday, but of course both have those extended grace periods. You can review all the materials here, but I want you to also note that if you look in the table of contents, there's also all of our materials for the course, right? So if you have any questions or concerns, if you're looking for a template, if you're looking for instructions, that kind of thing, it is all available here as well. All right. So we have the week 13 quiz and then the journal portfolio, and you'll notice that there is an extended grace period here. So just take the time that you need. And if you go to submit, I want you to note that the video, the guidelines are both here, but then there's also a template for Google Docs and then a Word template. So whatever is going to be the most approachable for you. Okay, that's essentially it for this week, but again, let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I hope you are able to find some time to connect with family or friends or yourself. It's time to just see if you can find a bit of time to rest, relax, rejuvenate, so that we can hit the ground running to finish out the semester strong. All right, y'all, have a great week, and I'll see you next time.